What's up guys, Ryan here. Today we're going to talk about March 2018, which was the 1-year milestone of my passive income journey. And profits just so happened to jump $2,000 more from the month before. So Amazon FBA led the way with $5,920 of profit. Amazon Merch brought in $1,395 of royalties, and Dropshipped Print-on-Demand $234 of profit. Let's jump into the numbers. So Amazon FBA was a great month. I did 1,256 sales for $35,000 in revenue and $5,920 in profit. My margin jumped from 11% in February to 16%, and that was largely spearheaded by me being able to reduce the number of SKUs I had selling at a loss. Now let's not bury the lead. I had a SKU that did over $3,000 in profit on its own. That was my best-selling SKU from the month before that jumped in profit by about 30% month over month. I also had 2 additional SKUs do over $1,000 profit each. So altogether, you can see how I reached this $5,920 number. That's pretty much the story for FBA without drilling down into what the niches actually were. Just everything was trending in the right direction. Again, having less SKUs selling at a loss and simply just getting them to neutral even and not losing money is a great thing. Also, I was liquidating at least 2 of my SKUs, meaning I was just trying to get my money back out of them, get as much money out of them as I possibly could. Even at a loss, if you're able to sell them, you get more money out of the product than if you just have it disposed of. Amazon Merch, I did 331 sales for $6,418 of revenue, $1,395 of profit. My average royalty was $4.22, which was basically going to be the new norm since they nerfed the royalties in early January. So the only real takeaway from this month was that I had a new best-selling t-shirt. In my previous income report for February, I mentioned how I was creative and following a really popular computer games creator, the people that own the rights to the game, they trademarked putting the acronym of the game on t-shirts. There was a massive wave of removals from Amazon of any of these related t-shirts. Well, none of my t-shirts actually had the name of the game on them. I did have the name of the game in the listings, in like the title and the keywords, because I wanted to be indexed on that. So when my listings were removed, I just re-uploaded them without mentioning the trademarked portion. And as a result, the shirts sold like crazy because number 1, they were still in high demand. Number 2, so many listings had been removed. So this was just me being creative, not doing anything wrong. And what ended up happening was last month, it was my second bestseller. This month, it jumped my shirt from October that made me $700 in a single day and then made me tons of money each month following and became the new bestseller. And then that shirt from October became the second bestseller. Dropship Print-on-Demand, I did 79 Amazon sales. At least half of them were FBA SKUs that I was really actually struggling to offload because I realized after buying the FBA coffee mugs that the demand just wasn't there outside of the fourth quarter, but I was still, lowering the price and finding ways to unload them, doing a lot of listing optimizations, etc. So I got a little bit of money back out of those. I did 1 sale on Etsy, 0 on eBay. eBay ends up just kind of sucking for me, and I'm not a big fan of eBay for print on demand. If you figure out how to sell on eBay on print on demand, please hit me up in those comments and let me know your secrets. Even with like sponsored listings, I wasn't able to get sales on eBay. So anyways, $234.54 of profit for Dropship Print on Demand. So that just about does it for the March 2018 income report. In total, I did $7,795.63 of passive income profits. And what I liked even more about this number was that it represented an upward trend from the month before by $2,000. So check out the following month's income report to see if I could keep that momentum going into April. Also, if you like this video, please hit that like button, subscribe, comment, let me know what you thought about it. Any interaction you take with this video is going to help it get seen by more people. So I appreciate you taking your time out of your day to follow my passive income journey. Let me know how I can help you if you're interested in getting started on your own. Check out the Facebook group, and I'll see you at the next one.
Wherever she goes, I go, we roll, we go, flying over cities down to Rio. It's Rio, love that I feel. Oh, nothing lasts forever, but I'm down for the minute, so just chill.